Right, listen up, you lot. Welcome back to my kitchen. Now, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Breakfast is the most important bloody meal of the day. You can't expect to function on an empty stomach, can you? It's what kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for a cracking good day. So if you're tired of the same old boring breakfast routine, you've come to the right place. We're going to shake things up a bit and inject some excitement into your morning. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 healthy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind. Get those aprons on and let's get cracking. First up, we've got overnight oats. This isn't just any breakfast, it's the breakfast of champions. This isn't some soggy mess, you hear me? It's a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. This is a breakfast game changer. Imagine waking up to a jar full of goodness that you prepared the night before. It's packed with fiber, it's convenient, and you can customize it to your liking. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, the choice is yours. Now get your jars out. These jars are going to be your best friends in the morning. We're gonna layer this bad boy up. Think of it as building a masterpiece, one layer at a time. Start with a good quality rolled oats. This is your base, the foundation of your breakfast. Then add your choice of milk, almond, coconut, dairy, whatever tickles your fancy. The milk will soak into the oats, making them soft and creamy. Next, for some flavor, chuck in some chia seeds, a dollop of yogurt. Chia seeds add a nice texture and are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. This adds a touch of sweetness without being overpowering. Feeling adventurous? Add a spoonful of nut butter. It adds richness and a dose of healthy fats. Don't you dare even think about using that processed rubbish. Keep it natural and wholesome. Now seal it up, give it a good shake, and leave it in the fridge overnight. This is where the magic happens. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, dreamy breakfast pot ready to go. No fuss, no hassle. Top it with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts. Fresh fruit adds a burst of flavor and vitamins, while nuts add crunch and protein, or a dollop of yogurt. It's that simple. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious breakfast, and start your day like a champion. So there you have it. Overnight oats, the ultimate breakfast of champions. Easy to make, packed with nutrients, and absolutely delicious. Give it a try and see how it transforms your mornings. You can even prepare multiple jars at once, each with different toppings. This way you have a variety of flavors to choose from throughout the week. Trust me, once you start, you'll never go back to boring breakfasts again. Here's to starting your day with a smile and a jar of overnight oats. Next, we've got a classic for a reason. Greek yogurt with berries. It's light, it's refreshing, and it's packed with protein and antioxidants. Now don't be a lazy sod and just spoon some yogurt into a bowl. We're going to make it special. Start with a good quality Greek yogurt. None of that artificially sweetened rubbish. Then we'll add a handful of fresh berries. I'm talking juicy strawberries, plump blueberries, raspberries, whatever you fancy. For some crunch, sprinkle on some chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans, you name it. And for a touch of sweetness, drizzle over some honey or maple syrup. There you have it. A simple yet satisfying breakfast that will keep you full and energized all morning. Now, for those of you who are always on the go, let me introduce you to the green smoothie. This vibrant drink is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can transform your mornings and give you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Don't turn your nose up. This isn't some grassy concoction. It's a delicious blend of fresh, wholesome ingredients that come together to create a drink that's as tasty as it is nutritious. This is a powerhouse of nutrients that will have you bouncing off the walls. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, feeling refreshed and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. In your blender, chuck in a handful of spinach or kale. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for your health. Then, add some frozen fruit. Bananas, berries, mango, whatever you've got. These fruits not only add natural sweetness, but also provide a good dose of fiber and antioxidants. For some healthy fats, add a tablespoon of nut butter or half an avocado. These ingredients will make your smoothie creamy and satisfying, keeping you full for longer. Finally, pour in some liquid. Water, coconut water, almond milk, the choice is yours. Each option brings its own unique flavor and additional nutrients to the mix. Blitz it all up until smooth and creamy. Watch as the ingredients transform into a vibrant green elixir that's brimming with goodness. There you have it, a quick and easy breakfast that will fuel your body and mind. Not only is it convenient, but it's also a delicious way to ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients first thing in the morning. So why not give it a try and make it a part of your daily routine? Your body will thank you. Now I know you lot love your avocado toast, so let's elevate it from basic to brilliant. First, toast a slice of whole wheat bread. None of that white, processed rubbish. While it's still warm, mash half an avocado onto it. Sprinkle over some salt and pepper for seasoning. Now here's where you can get creative. Add a fried egg for extra protein. Crumble some feta cheese for a salty kick. Layer on some smoked salmon for a touch of luxury. The possibilities are endless. Just make sure you use ripe avocados, you hear me? No one wants to bite into a rock-hard avocado. Let's be honest, who doesn't love pancakes? But instead of the usual sugar-laden stack, we're going to make a healthy version using bananas. In a bowl, mash one ripe banana, then crack in an egg and whisk it together. Add a quarter cup of whole wheat flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all up until you have a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a dollop of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook for a couple of minutes on each side until golden brown and cooked through. Serve with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup and some fresh fruit. For those mornings when you're short on time, egg muffins are a lifesaver. They are not only quick to make but also packed with protein and nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your muffins will cook evenly and come out perfectly every time. Next, grease a muffin tin with cooking spray. This step is crucial to prevent the muffins from sticking to the tin, making them easier to remove once they're baked. In a bowl, whisk together 6 eggs with a splash of milk. The milk helps to make the eggs fluffier and gives the muffins a richer texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other spices like paprika or garlic powder for an extra kick of flavor. Now, here's where you can get creative with your fillings. The beauty of egg muffins is that you can customize them to your liking. Dice up some vegetables like bell peppers, onions, spinach, or mushrooms. Grate some cheese. You can use cheddar, mozzarella, or any cheese you prefer. If you like meat in your muffins, chop up some cooked bacon or sausage. These add a savory element that pairs perfectly with the eggs and vegetables. Divide the fillings evenly among the muffin cups. Make sure each cup gets a good mix of vegetables, cheese, and meat if you're using it. Pour the egg mixture over the fillings, leaving a little space at the top. This allows the muffins to rise without overflowing. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggs are set. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before serving. This makes them easier to handle and enhances their flavor. You can even store them in the fridge for a quick breakfast on the go. They keep well for up to a week, making them a convenient option for busy mornings. Chia pudding is another fantastic make-ahead breakfast option. In a jar or container, combine a quarter cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your choice of milk. Almond, coconut, or dairy all work well. Add a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. If you're feeling fancy, throw in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together until well combined. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. Top with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds before serving. For my vegan friends, we've got a delicious and satisfying tofu scramble. Crumble a block of firm tofu into a pan, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan over medium heat, add in your favorite chopped vegetables, onions, peppers, spinach, mushrooms, whatever you fancy, cook until softened. Sprinkle over some turmeric, cumin, and garlic powder for that classic scramble flavor. Cook for a few more minutes, stirring frequently. Serve with a side of toast or avocado. Now, for a breakfast option that even the fussiest eaters will love, we've got a fruit and nut parfait. Layer yogurt, granola, and your favorite fruits in a glass or bowl. You can use Greek yogurt, regular yogurt, or even coconut yogurt. For the granola, choose one that's low in sugar and high in fiber. Get creative with the fruits. Berries, bananas, mangoes, kiwis, anything goes. Sprinkle on some chopped nuts for extra crunch and protein. Last but not least, we've got the breakfast burrito. This is a hearty and satisfying breakfast that you can customize to your liking. Heat a tortilla in a pan or on a griddle. Scramble some eggs with your favorite fillings. Cheese, beans, vegetables, you name it. Once the eggs are cooked, spoon them onto the tortilla. Add your other desired fillings. Roll up the tortilla tightly and enjoy. So there you have it, you lot. 10 healthy and delicious breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Remember, breakfast is crucial, so don't even think about skipping it. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more culinary inspiration. Now go forth and conquer your day.